Alright, let's see if you can see this. The rubber, sheet rubber. Let me put you down for just a second. Alright, there's your repair. The leak has stopped. That is 2 pipe clamps and just a little bit of a piece of rubber. Thank you, Tommy Bourgeois, for the idea. And that is, it's the same principle basically as a saddle clamp. So, yeah, that did the trick. It stopped. I don't like it as a permanent solution, but it definitely worked. You can see it is not leaking anymore. We'll see how long it holds.